performance schema is you will get the performance related metrics for your user defined database. So in this performance schema you will come to know. Okay, so there are some important commands which always the common SQL statements which most commonly used by DBS from information schema and performance schema. So we have those statements I'll share to you. Coming to MySQL, MySQL is again it's a system database. It is very important database. This database will have your complete user management will be managed under this database. Okay, if you click on see how to use the database. Okay, how to
Yeah,
go inside to the database is simple. Use this command. Use database name.
same like SQL Server. Almost all commands are same.
Show databases. Okay, use MySQL, give semicolon. Now you have logged into this database. Now show tables. Okay, here you can see all tables related. We can see these tables. Okay, later on. See here you can see one table name as users. So this table is very important. All your users are inside this table. Okay, for this database, those who are connecting to this database, all that user accounts details are inside this user table. I hope you got this.
Yeah, I got this. Yep.
I'm clearing the screen. This is a command clear screen. Okay, tables you got to know. Show tables users. Now how to get the details. Okay, select how to see the structure of this table. Okay, so give this command describe table. Describe table name. So you can see the complete structure of this table. So these are all column names, field names. These are the types, what types it has. Okay, and the value for this. All these are table structure for this. So for user table, you can see the host, user, password. Okay, what privileges it has, shutdown privileges. Does it have all the privileges details here? You will come to know. Max connection details. Okay, so whatever information you want to know for that particular user, so you can simply do this SQL statement. Okay, you select followed by the column names. Select user comma host from, these are the two column names. Okay, user comma host from MySQL dot user. Okay, MySQL is a database which I have shown you. It is a system database, and user is a table name. Okay, just click on this, enter this. I'm trying to log into the database. Okay, select user comma host from MySQL dot user. Okay, yeah, now I got this. Select user comma host. User comma host are the column names. From MySQL is the database name. It is a system database name and followed by table name dot. Here you can see I've told you right here. Whenever you have enabled that remote login, so your user has been created. Okay, percentile. Okay, so here you can see this root as percent root password C. So make sure you remove all these root users. You only keep on root user with a local host, and no other user should be exist. Okay. So this is a command. This is very important command. Select user comma host from MySQL dot user. If you want all details, simply select star
Star
from
from
MySQL.
MySQL.user.
Yeah, MySQL dot user. So Venkat, let me know if I'm going with very basic, or you can stop me if I'm going with a very basic and wasting the time.
I think no. First we will complete the installation part. Once we are getting into the security concepts like user and all, then we can discuss this. I mean
Yeah, yeah,
architectural topics.
yeah, sure, sure. Yeah, where we were. Yeah, installation part, right? Yeah, we
Yeah.
have the installation is completed successfully. Let us go back to the file system here. Click on this. I have chosen the data directory as MariaDB. Open this one. See here, you can see these are all the databases. These are all the databases. MySQL performance schema. This is what the test DB which I have created. Okay. This buffer pool size. We'll see this later on. Yeah, and very important point is my.cnf file. So my.cnf
This is
file location is,
my.ini, right?
yes, ini.
Huh.
You open this
Hmm.
file. You here you can see this It has data directory location is this. Port is simple. Page size is this. InnoDB buffer pool size what we have given 5000 MB. Port is this. It's very simple. Plugins are in this location. Program files.
Okay. Yeah.
We'll discuss these things. Yeah. Now you can see the error log. This is the error log. Okay. You open this file. Error log location is also in the same data directory location. See, you can see this. This is error log. Whenever the DB got restarted, you will get to know these details. Version, always it will mention the version details, socket, and port number.
Yeah.
So make sure
So
you have this detail at the last. Yeah.
okay, it is giving same details like in SQL Server, what all the step-by-step process it follow to start the database.
Yeah. Now let us go to this. If you have any doubts, please ask me.
Yeah, sure, sure.
Now, if you want to change installation process, okay, in the installation process, if you want to change the location for this, okay, if you want to change the location for this database, you can simply change the location. So how to change that location, I'll show you. It is very simple. It is again a part of installation only. First of all, you need to stop the MariaDB services. As we know that the DB, you open this, click on just right click, go to properties. You can see that default file location is my.ini location is this. Okay, it is inside. If you want to know where the my dot, this is very important here. The database server is starting with my.ini configuration file. So that where that file location will always be given in your services.msc. So you can find out with this way. Okay, so now go to this location MariaDB. Okay, now suppose you want to change the location. So first of all, what we have to do is we need to copy these all files. Okay, let us copy these files. Okay, I'm copying to program location. Here I'm giving a new folder as Maria. What I can say,
You can say training D or something. Some
yeah.
X or Y you can give.
Yeah, see, this is the binaries. Okay, so let us give a different name here. Rename. Say as a virtual academy, right? VA underscore MariaDB. Okay. Now you paste it. Continue. Do this for all. See, all the files has been copied here. Okay. So VA
Yes.
underscore MariaDB. Okay. Now copy this location. Copy this location. Go back to your C drive. We have this MariaDB. See, this is a configuration file. Okay, open this file. If you give hash, it will consider as a comment. Okay,
Yeah, same like in Linux.
yeah. So here you can give data dir equals to. So the above one got commented. Now this is what I have changed the details here. Okay. Now save this file. Save this file. Go to services. Let's see what issue we'll get. Start this. Windows could not start on log for information review. So it is not able to start. Let us see what is the issue. Go to program files. MariaDB. Did we get any errors?
Error log is not there.
So what happens? See this. See, this is the error log. Okay. Open with Notepad. Shutdown is happened. Error. Failed to create DDL log file. Permission denied. DDL recovery.log. Permission denied. Okay. So we don't have permissions to this. So right click on this. Go to properties. Okay.
Security. Click on edit.
Click on start. Windows could not able to start local. Okay, contact service vendor and refer to service specific code. Let us go back to the error log. See again, open this. Now what error we got? Failed to create DDL, permission denied.
Same permission.
Okay, error code 13, permission denied.
Just for now,
The,
just go to that security.
which one?
I mean, that file security.
Okay,
Security.
one second. Let us go to this MariaDB. Go to properties here, sharing MariaDB, security, read, write, modify users.
That is only for authenticated users, not for all other system users, not for administrators. First, we need to find out from which user MariaDB is trying to start the services.
Yeah,
See
it
MariaDB.
is MariaDB. Yeah.